Hey everybody, welcome to the asynchronous lesson of music class. Bienvenido al parte de asynchronous para la clase de música. Vamos a practicar las canciones que estudiamos en la clase de música. We're going to practice our songs that we studied in our synchronous lesson, okay? Now, everyone say with me, Ojos a la vela. Good. Now say with me, Rain, Rain, Go Away. And say with me, Johnny, Mr. Brown. Todos digan conmigo, Ojos a la vela. Rain, Rain, Go Away, and Johnny Mr. Brown. Muy bien. A ver, ahí abajo hay unos videos para que puedan practicar con la familia. Down there, guys, there are some videos that you can practice. But first, I want to practice so that we remember the song, okay? So, let's try this one. Everyone say with me, Ojos a la vela. Ojos a la vela. Manos por detrás. Cuídate, Chabela. Cuídate, Chabela. Que ahí viene Tomás. Que ahí viene Tomás. Now, we're going to say Tomás 3 times. Tomás, 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 Tomás. Ready? 1, 2, together. Go. Tomás, 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 Tomás. Let's try it together. 1, 2, ready, go. Ojos a la vela, manos por detrás. Cuídate, Chabela, que ahí viene Tomás. Tomás, 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 Tomás. Good job, guys. Now, don't forget Rain, Rain, Go Away. Let's practice that one. Ready? 1, 2, get your hands. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Lluvia, lluvia, venga otro día. Good job, guys. Hey, click on the next video so that we can practice Johnny Mr. Brown, okay? At the very bottom, there's going to be a video to show you how to send a video to Mr. M because I need to give you credit for class, okay? So, go ahead and click on Johnny Mr. Brown, practice with the music, and then watch the video so that you can send me something. Bye guys, hasta luego.